Alright, I'm working on this 2000 Lincoln LS. This is probably going to be the same for all years of these. But I'm having an issue with these lug nuts here. Let me show you what these look like. So I'm doing some work to this, and these lugs are not real easy to get off of here. And what they have is these cheaper capped lugs. And see, this is one of the better ones, but I can assure you that no socket fits these right. And what you have to do is pound, oh, look at that one there, it looks nice. You have to pound a socket on there. I was pounding a 3/4 on because these were really tight, and every single one of them I had to pound the socket on to be able to break them loose. And so you can imagine that you have a flat and you're you know, beside the road somewhere, and you're trying to change your spare out, and no way you're getting these lug nuts off. So this is definitely something that you want to take care of. Let's take it this other side here, and the front ones are actually okay. I'm thinking they may have been changed out at one time, but you can see right there said it's just almost impossible to get these off. So here is some replacement lugs. Now these are kind of pricey, $30 for 10 of these. But like I said, if you have a flat, then you're going to be glad you spent the $30. Here, I can leave a link. And said these are forged and not capped, so we won't have that issue. Now you look at this, fits the 19 perfectly. Now here's the old one, capped, doesn't go on the 19. Won't go on the 3/4 very good either, so it doesn't matter what you have. Very easy to replace these. You can do them one at a time, just torque them down. You don't have to remove the wheel or anything. Let's go ahead and do it on this other side. So we're just going to do these lugs one at a time, and we have to take the 3/4 and a mallet and knock that on there really good. Usually we can wiggle it back off again. You can see the condition of that. All right, we got our new one, our forged, and the 19 fits it great. And now I'm going to torque this to 100 foot-pounds. And I'm just going to repeat the process 4 more times here. Alright, so there's all of our nice new lugs torqued down that we can actually fit a socket on now. And we got the ones on the other side as well. So the only thing these are good for. Alright, so that's going to do it on replacing these lugs. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe.